Hello, welcome back to my channel. India is the second largest producer of tea in the world. The tea makers face challenges in the process, starting from planting tea plants to harvesting the leaves and then converting the green tea leaves to quality made tea. And through this video, I'm going to tell you about the process beginning from plucking the tea leaves to packaging them. So if you don't mind, please do like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss the notifications of my upcoming videos. According to a Chinese legend, the history of tea began in 2737 BCE when the Emperor Shen Nong accidentally discovered tea while boiling water in the garden, and a leaf from an overhanging wild tea tree drifted into his pot. It is also assumed that Chinese travelers took back tea seeds from Assam, as wild tea trees were reportedly found in the mountainous regions of Assam. There are two methods of collecting tea leaves: hand plucking and machine plucking. Hand plucking provides better quality of tea leaves and is labor intensive, while machine plucking provides lesser quality of tea leaves due to more broken leaves. Now, let us see the factory process of converting these tea leaves to tea powder, which we use to make the beverage tea. Right now, you're watching the visuals of bringing those collected leaves to the factory. Next process is withering, where conditioned air is circulated between the leaves, initially to remove any surface moisture and thereafter to concentrate and chemically break down the tea juices, taking 10 to 14 hours, and bring the leaf to soft and rubbery condition suitable for the next process. The next morning, these leaves are moved through the cutting and rolling machines. This results in the leaf getting twisted and the leaf cell walls ruptured to bring the juices to the surface of the leaf. The rolling machines have deep jacket, a pressure cap to apply pressure on the leaf, and the table itself has battens and a cone at the center to twist the leaf. This process takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The next process, being rolling, causes some of the sap, essential oils and juices inside the leaves to ooze out, which further enhances the taste of the tea. After this process gets over, the leaves are moved to the fermentation chamber, which takes 2 to 3 hours for the leaves to change their color, which gradually becomes a copper red. Fermentation is the oxidization of the enzymes in the juices which bring out the flavor, strength and color of the liqueurs and infusions. The longer the leaf is oxidized, the darker is the leaf. However, oxidization doesn't only affect the color but also the taste of the tea. The tea is then moved through the dryer on a conveyor belt. The initial temperature amounts to 90 degrees Celsius and towards the end of the 20-minute long drying process, the temperature decreases to 40 degrees Celsius and the humidity content to approximately 6%. The black tea, which is released by the dryer, is a root tea which is now seized through a number of shaking mechanical sieves with varying sieve sizes with which the common leaf grades are separated from each other. There can be found these 4 main sizes of tea, namely whole leaf, broken, fannings and dust, and it is further subdivided into different grades as per the qualities within each of these sizes. The sifting or grading is carried out on a series of grading and cleaning machines which have several trays of different mesh sizes to separate the tea particles to the various grades of tea and to remove the stalk and fiber. Teas are very hygroscopic in nature and rapidly absorb moisture. When sufficient quantities of teas are collected, they are packed in plywood tea chest of multi-walled aluminum kraft paper-lined pager sacks. An important section of a tea factory is its workshop. The main process which takes place here is wetting the rolling machine using the shown tool. Although each type of tea has a different taste, smell and visual appearance, tea processing for all tea types consists of a very similar set of methods with only minor variations. Thanks for watching.